Hi everyone, hope you enjoyed our last three episodes, which are based on the solution and analysis and tricks of the 2019 BHU M.Sc entrance exam paper. Now, here is the episode number 4. In our previous sections, we have already discussed from question number 1 to question number 41. So, in episode number 4, we start from question number 42. Which one of the following is colorless parasitic red alga? Among the four options, Harviella is the correct answer. Due to the presence of R-phycocyanin and R-phycoerythrin, all the red algal members are red in color. But Harviella is the exception. It is colorless and also it is parasitic. But parasitic over which organism? It is parasitic over another algae, that is Polycyphonia. Now question number 43. Development of zoospore is absent in. It is a very easy question. The answer is nothing but the Kara. As because there is a complete absence of zoospore-like structures in the life cycle of Kara, the dominating phase is the sexual stage in the life cycle of Kara. Now question number 42. Which one of the following can shoot its sporangia vertically upward to a height of 6 feet? The developing sporangiophore of Pilobolus, that is our answer, grows such that the maturing sporangia is aimed directly at the light. When target pressure within the subsporangial vesicle builds to a sufficient level, often 7 atm or greater, the sporangium is launched and can travel anywhere from a couple of centimeters to a distance of 2 meters, that means 6 feet, which is our answer. Okay, go through the complete illustrations of this answer. Now question number 45. Which one of the following fungus is the main source of vitamins? The answer is nothing but the yeast. Yeast or the nutritional yeast, that means the Saccharomyces cerevisiae, is full of or the excellent source of protein and vitamin, especially vitamin B complex, but except vitamin B12, that means cyanocobalamin. Now question number 46. In black stem rust of wheat caused by Puccinia graminis etc., following interaction strategies observed. Among the four options, the haploid basidiospores infect barberry, dikaryotic asciospores infect wheat. I have given here all the stages along with the 5 different spores, their colors, their number of cells, their ploidy level, their host, and their infectious nature. Go through it. This is a very important slide for your upcoming examination or any upcoming examination. Now question number 47. In which one of the following spores do not form protonema but directly grow into flat branching thallus? The answer is liverworts and hornworts. A protonema is a thread-like chain of cells that forms a earliest stage of the life cycle of mosses, ferns and pteridophytes. But pteridophytes and ferns are not present in the options along with the liverworts and hornworts. So the correct option is liverworts and hornworts. Now question number 48. In which one of the following bryophytes a highest degree of sporogenous tissue sterilization is found? The answer is Funaria. Based on the theory of progressive evolution or the theory of sterilization was put forward by Bauer and supported by so many others biologists. According to this theory, the sporophytes of complex forms, that means Funaria, sphagnum and Pogonatum, have evolved due to the progressive sterilization. Now question number 49. An Archegonia of Rixia has 4 neck canal cells, 1 venter canal cell and 1 oospore. That is option number 4. Now there are different bryophytes are there and the construction of their archegonium is given here. In this question, the archegonium of Rixia was asked for, but apart from that, there are several others bryophytes are there. I have given here the complete illustration and the analysis of the construction of an archegonium of different species of bryophytes Go through it, which is very much beneficial for your upcoming examination. Now question number 50. The development of sporophyte of moss gametophyte without gametic formation is called apogamy. Now question number 51. The stele of pteridium is, it is diarch and exarch. It is a clear cut question, but you have to remember the other steles of different plants also. Now amphiploic siphonostele is present in the rhizome of, it is also a clear cut question. Amphiploic siphonostele, all of you already known that this type of stele is found in Marsilia. I have given here the different types of pteridophytes and their nature of stele. Go through this slide. This is very much beneficial for you. Now question number 53. When sporangia in a fern develop from a single initial cell, it is called leptosporangiate type. There are basically two types of sporangial development. One is leptosporangiate and another one is eusporangiate. In case of eusporangium, it is developed from a group of initial cells. But in case of leptosporangiate sporangial development, the leptosporangium is developed from a single initial cell. I have also given the examples here and the diagrammatic illustrations for your better understanding. Now question number 54. Which one of the following pteridophytes has the largest number of chromosomes? The correct answer is Ophioglossum reticulatum. It has 2n equals to 1260 chromosomes per cell. Now question number 55. Which of the following is considered as progenitor of higher plants? The correct answer is Fischiella. Since photosynthesis first became a coordinated process, evolutionary development in the autotrophic world has come a long way from the prokaryotic blue-green algae to the eukaryotic angiosperms. Gradually, the green algae is symbolized as a cradle of the higher plants. So in this case, Fischiella is the correct answer. Now, Chantrantia stage is found in. This is a very common question, and this particular question has come in various examinations. So the correct answer is Batrachosperma. Go through these illustrations also. Now question number 57. Red tides are caused by, gymnotinium. This is a phenomenon caused by the algal blooms, which are large concentrations of aquatic microorganisms such as protozoans and unicellular algae like dinoflagellates and diatoms, during which algae become so numerous that they discolor coastal waters. Hence the name red tide. The algal bloom may also deplete oxygen in the waters and release toxins that may cause illness in humans and other animals. So there is the complete list of the several genera which is the cause of different types of red tides. Among them, gymnodinium is our option, but you have to remember the others options also. Now question number 58. Which one of the following are archigonia? Among them, methanogens is our option or the correct option. That means answer number 4. I have given here the phylogenetic tree. There are several other archibacteria is there. Go through it. This is the chart where I have given the definition, types, examples, and location of the different types of archibacteria. Now question number 59. RNA particles without protein sheath is. This is the viridoid. It is a single stranded RNA. All of we know that about 250 to 370 nucleotides long without a protein coats. There are also some examples of videos I have given here. Now question number 60. Carboniferous era is regarded as the age of. Those who have interest in geological time scale, they already know the answer. That is nothing but the pteridophyte. I have given here the entire geological time scale: Cenozoic, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and their dominating plants and their periods. Go through it. Now question number 61. In two species population interactions, which one population is benefited but the other is not affected? It is called commensalism, where one species get benefited and others is not affected. Now question number 62. Mycorrhiza is an example of obviously mutualism or symbiosis. I have given here different types of ecological relationships like mutualism, symbiosis, commensalism, amensalism, parasitism, neutralism, competition, predation, proto-cooperation, and their examples. So go through these slides and also remember the definition and their effects, like one organism is benefited or another organism is unaffected or affected, or another organism is loser, one organism is gets benefited. These types of in effects you have to remember, like different types of mathematical symbols like plus, 0, plus, minus, 0, minus, etc, etc. Now question number 63. Resurrection plants are examples of, basically that is the examples of xerophytes. A resurrection plant is any poikilohydric plant that can survive extreme dehydration even over months or years. Selaginella lepidophylla is the example of resurrection plants. Now question number 64. Natality, mortality, life tables and survivorship curves are characteristics of obviously populations. All of we know that these are the different types of characteristic features of population. Now question number 65. Species showing non-heritable differences in morphology of plants due to varied natural environments are called ecofence. I have given here the examples of ecofence. Go through it. Now question number 66. Number of individuals of a species in unit area of its occurrence within a plant community is called. This is a clear-cut definition of abundance. Qualitative characters of a community. I have given here the others definitions also. You have to remember these definitions for your upcoming examinations. Now question number 67. How many types of population dispersion are observed in plant communities? There are basically three types of population dispersion. One is uniform dispersion, another one is random dispersion, and the last one is the clumped dispersion. So the correct answer is three types. Now question number 68. Maximum species diversity is observed in. Maximum species diversity observed among the options. The correct answer is option number 4, tropical humid forest. Now question number 69. The credit for the concept of spatial niche is given here. The spatial niche, the concept of this particular type of niche is given by Joseph Grinnell. Apart from that, there are another two niche concept. One is trophic niche, another one is hypervolume niche. Trophic niche concept is given by Charles Sutherland Elton, and hypervolume or multifactorial niche concept is given by George Evelyn Hutchinson. Now question number 70. Microbial succession on decaying wood on the forest floor is an example of nothing but the heterotrophic succession. So I have given here different types of succession. Go through these definitions very carefully. In this episode, we have discussed up to question number 70. In our next episode, we will get the rest of them. Till then, if you like this video, then share, subscribe our channel, and watch our previous videos also for your better knowledge. And don't forget to press the bell icon and share our video as much as possible. We need your support for our future reference. Okay, then Goodbye. Stay safe. Stay healthy.